You've seen this animated AI characters a lot of times in these YouTube channels, and you want to create it too. And let me tell you something, it's completely free and easy to do. Here's the final result. Chickens are domesticated birds known for their diverse breeds, which are raised for their eggs, meat, and sometimes as pets. Isn't it awesome? So follow along and let's create it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video because creates a big difference in telling the YouTube algorithm to show this video to people in need. Let's go to this website called Lexica, where we make images totally free and no need of signing up. There are two buttons, Search and Generate. We will search because it is faster and takes less time. Let's search for an empty anime studio because we don't want anyone in it, and add windows to it because it will look a lot better and viewers will be engaged. After searching, you will see a lot of results which look totally amazing, and it is up to you to pick. But if you don't want to, I have a link to all the resources in the description. I will pick this one and click on the download button. As you see, it is downloading. And this one is a pretty good background too. Next, let's search for the character. I will be searching handsome 18-year-old anime boy. For this, please pick one that has hands on the photo. I will scroll down and pick this one, then download it. As you see, it is downloading. Next, let's remove the background. There are two ways. First, you could go to remove.bg, then remove it, but it might be lower quality, so I would select Subject in Photoshop. Let's go to Photoshop. Click on New File and create a 1920x 1080 photo. Let's import the background and size it up to fit the photo size. Then, let's add a table. Let's remove the white part. If it doesn't rasterize or convert to Smart Object, then let's position it and size it up correctly. Then let's add the boy and add it behind the table. Let's resize it, and don't forget saving, so all your work won't be lost. Then let's add the PC and remove the background from it using the eraser tool. Then let's resize it. After that, let's put in the microphone again. Let's remove the white part using the eraser tool and resize it after that. We will need to remove the mouth of the boy if it doesn't work. Convert to Smart Object and remove all of its mouth. And export it as a PNG. And now we're done. Let's do this in CapCut since it is easy and free to use. Let's open CapCut and import the export from Photoshop. Then let's open this green screen mouth animation. Let's select it, go to Cutout, click on Chroma key, use the eyedrop tool and select the green color and set the strength and shadow to 100. After this, it is me perfecting the mouth onto the boy. Add some effects and voiceover. Chickens are domesticated birds known for their diverse breeds, which are raised for their eggs, meat, and sometimes as pets, and they are characterized by their distinctive clucking sounds. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. Have a great day.